Hi, my name's Ron and you're on one of Ronnie's road trips. Well, as we always try to find something that's just a little bit out of the ordinary or a little bit rustic or a little bit old, you won't go better than what we've found on the border ranges in New South Wales and Queensland. It's a nice little 82 model D65E-6 Komatsu dozer. You can always tell, look at the big buff head on it at the front here. Solid, nice and square, beautiful. But I'll tell you what, you won't find much of a better tractor for a machine of this age with around about that 16,000 hours on it. Current owner, only the second owner. He's had it for 23 years and looks after it like a baby, as he does with all the rest of his gear. This little tractor here, pride of the Komatsu fleet when it came out. It's in between that 6 and 7 size if you're a cat man, and even if you're not familiar with Komatsu, that's the size of this little dozer. Worked as a contractor machine for the first years of its life, and then the guys up here picked her up. 23 years, as I say. Lovely tractor. You're going to come with us. We're going to give it a workout today in between the showers. Nice and chilly up here, but not to worry. It doesn't affect this old Komatsu. I'll bet you she fires up first go. Hasn't started for a while, but I'm keen to give it a run. Come on, come with us. We'll give it a workout. Over here, mate, the segmented drive sprockets, as you can see, they're worn a touch, but nothing overly. They're nice and tidy. I've just checked up here, under here, mate, perfect, you know, so which is just another reflection on how much little work this has done in rock. You know, it's not too bad in this scrub crew, and you're not going to get a lot of damage caused up in here. Top and bottom rollers, perfect. Bottom rollers underneath here, all with roller guards on them. Exactly what you need when you're in this sort of country, and you've got this application for your dozer. You sort of got to look at a few money ends of the machine. This one here, mate, is the main money end, and this little Komatsu's got a beautiful, nice little shaped blade on this in here, mate. Brand new cutting edges on here. It's just very nice, good little shape. And if you have a look at it from the side, you'll be able to just actually see the scallop on this. Komatsu done a good job on this one. See these nice little solid covers here, stops all of that brush from falling inside here, keeps your engine bay nice and clean, stops the leaves, the dust, the crap that you're going to get when you're in this sort of application, as I said before. This side over here, mate, we've got our fuel filter sitting just right in here, starter motor, nice easy access. This bottom plate comes off. You've got sort of best part of 3/4 of a metre or more, you know, and 600 or so deep, plenty of room to get in there to do any of this. Other side, check the engine oil on the other side. Your fuel injectors are over there. Nice and easy. Good job. Well, there you have it. Like 1982 model, 15,000 hours. There is very little, once you walk around this machine, that can justify the age of this machine, or for the amount of hours and the amount of work that it's done. If you have a look around it, you might only just be able to see, the only telltale sign that you can see that it's worked hard or in a sort of adverse condition is the tree canopy. It's just dented where a few good logs have fallen over it, branches off the high trees that came down on it, protected the operator. It's the only thing that you can find. All up along the panels, along the front, all the way around the machine, nice and straight. It's a legacy to see just how solid these old tractors were built. The only thing is, might have had a couple of licks of paint, but then again, anyone who's worth their salt will make sure that all the machines, every one in the fleet, will always look in pretty good and pristine condition. This little tractor is no different. Guys, you've done a great job, well presented, nice little tractor, and anyone who's looking for a second-hand machine, look at this, 16,000 hours, not for sale by the way, but this is the sort of thing that you can pick up fairly cheaply. Go to our magazine, have a quick look at it. Cheers, hope you've enjoyed it.